In this video, I'll show you how easy it is to create an AI influencer, an AI character with PromptMate that maintains consistency across each image or each post. You can simply do this with PromptMate by simply using a base prompt, as we call it, and then add variations to that AI prompt. I just used Flux because now you can use also Flux Pro on PromptMate, and the results don't look bad at all. I will also show you what's better. We will test Flux versus Stability AI. Let's see which one is better in terms of maintaining consistency, right? So what I did is I created a simple prompt with ChatGPT actually, which will serve as a base prompt, and then added variations to it. With PromptMate, as you may know, you can use variations in the input fields and then just add them to each prompt, like I'm doing here. Like here, for example, right? You can just add the input field and change the image. But let me show you the result before we jump into testing this with Stability AI. So these are 5 or 6 images. I all have them here on Canva just to show you the result. And the consistency doesn't look bad. It looks like the same person, same character, right? So this was Flux, right? Which, as you can see here, the quality is really incredible, right? So now let's just run the same prompts, but with Stability AI and let's see the difference, right? So let's just go here and pick Stability AI. Okay, this is image number 1. Let's see if it can maintain consistency. Let's go ahead with the second one and let's just pick Stability AI. Let's just proceed by doing all of them and then compare, right? So far, I'm not sure already. It seems like it's changing person, but then we will compare them next to each other just to see, just like we did here, right? So let's just complete this test and this last one. Nope, there's another one. Okay, so now we're done. Let's just add some more here and compare next to each other. See which one did a better job. I'm already thinking that Flux is the winner in this test, but let's just look at least in terms of consistency, right? Now, keep in mind, this also might be a matter of prompts, right? So to be honest, these are just prompts generated by ChatGPT, as you can see. So it might just be the case that ChatGPT prompt is better for Flux and less for Stability AI, which comes from Stable Diffusion, right? But an AI system is also efficient when a user is not incredibly talented in prompt engineering, right? So basic prompt should do the job, right? If the quality of the platform per se, it's great. And to be honest, it feels like Flux is the winner here. Let's see if we have another one. Should be all, right? Okay. So I don't know what you think, but for what I see, Flux is way better in terms of consistency, at least, because from Stability AI, what I see is at least 2 pictures looking at the same person. We can count this third one, but then these are just another person, right? So one more test that we will do is we will use another prompt with other variations, which is a bit more specific. I asked ChatGPT to give me something more specific. I asked here to give a top model with green hair. Let's see if the consistency is harder to maintain with Flux. At this point, I would say Flux is the winner. I would just use Flux for all of them. So let's just create, first of all, the base, which is the first one. Let's go on Flux. All right, so this is Flux, right? So now what we have to do, this is the base prompt. Now we will see if the variations added to the prompt will still get consistency after that. So now what we can do is just get the variations and put them in here and say, give me 5 variations. So this is the first one, put it in here. And then we got variation 2, put it in here. And then we got variation 3, variation 4, and variation 5, right? Save and add prompt. So now we have the first image, right? So now all we have to do is gotta change the base prompt and the variation. Let's just retest. It still seems like consistent so far, no? Maybe the hair is too long here. Also, let's just continue with the full experiment, and let's at the end just make our conclusions. And here we go. Now let's just get them on Canva once again so we can see the results. So let's start from the beginning. Should be this one, and import them on Canva. All right, so here we go. Once again, definitely between Stability AI and Flux, Flux is the winner, right? For quality and everything. But my conclusion is this technique works, like prompt-based plus variation. So now what I would recommend, if you're interested in creating an AI character, maybe also experiment with the videos, you can use something like Runway, where you can actually turn the images into videos, right? So let's just see if we can actually do one for free right now. What you have to do is to import on the image in Gen 3 Alpha Turbo, and again, here, if you want to give some extra prompt to be more specific, you can, but I will not do that. I'll just keep it as it is, just to give you an idea what Gen 3 Alpha Turbo can do, right? And click generate. So as you can see, due to heavy demand, generations on free plans are temporarily unavailable. Let's see if I have something that I've created in the past, just to give you an example what Gen 3 Alpha can do. Yeah, I think this one is good. So this was with Stability AI, and then generated with, and you can also do lip syncing if you want, right? And this was the image, and this is the video, right? So yeah, you can just do that and create your AI influencer. Simple. You can use PromptMate, because with PromptMate you can do many things. You can even do bulk, and when you do bulk with a CSV input, you can give, like, let's say a CSV file with 50 variations and create all the images at once. And you get 1 month of content or 2 months of content. And this is how you can create your AI character or AI influencer and start your social media with it. A lot of brands are doing it, and why not? You can too. This is it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.